Yeah, my name is Banahel Joseph. I'm from Africa, Nigeria to be specific. I had an accident 2019 in Nigeria. It's a car accident. They hit me from this side. The whole of my hand and my leg broken. They took me to hospital in my state, then to the general hospital, but everything was getting deteriorated. My situation was completely helpless. I was helpless. I don't know what to do. A friend advised that I should come to India to Apollo Hospital by name Dr. Havind Tandon.
Mr. Banahel Joseph's CT cut is on my screen. You can see this is his normal side left and this is the affected side right. Mr. Joseph had a very long history. He had a fracture to his right femur bone. He was operated many times in various countries including India. And unfortunately, after 7 surgeries, this is the condition of his bone. He was pouring pus, he could hardly walk, he had no movement at the knee. And in this frustrated condition, and I think it was many years of patient treatment, he was not getting the results when he came to us.
Doctors are very excellent, most especially the doctor that treated me, Dr. Havind Tandon. He's very excellent. Whatever questions you ask him, he gives you answer, he tells you everything.
We thoroughly assessed his case, discussed all the options, and he gave us the thumbs up to go ahead and do the best. We were lucky that all our planning gave us a fantastic result. His infection part, which was there, was addressed. His both side bones had totally closed down. They were also rectified. The huge big cavity was grafted with antibiotic bone substitute. And his knee, which was so stiff, it was stuck 0 degrees, that was also released.
Assured me I will be well. He has done the treatment excellently. He removed they showed me some broken bones that were left in my body. And I think by the special grace of God, I'm very okay.
Overall, Mr. Joseph stayed with us for a couple of days. He started physiotherapy for the knee. The follow-up was also absolutely without any problem, and he has gone back to his country walking, happy and pain-free. Such cases at Apollo which happen almost every day.